What's up mga kagala? So ngayon, kakain naman tayo dito sa TGI Fridays. Dalawang pupuntahan natin today, kaya manood ka lang at mag-enjoy. Simulan na natin. As soon as we entered, ay winelcome agad kami and sakto may nagkakantaan pa dahil may birthday. Sa TGI Fridays, mayroong variety of drinks available for order, including cocktails, wines, spirits, juice, etc. Anyways, ito nga pala ang mga in-order namin. We were given these dishes with dip. Sinerve na ang aming appetizer na fried calamari at truffle squibs. Next naman ang Filipino pork tiempo, and lastly ang ating New York strip steak. Let's go! Kain na tayo! The pork tiempo, masarap siya, and steak masarap, malambot, juicy. So that's it para sa TGI Fridays. Next, mag-coffee naman tayo dito sa UCC Clockwork. Here's their menu. Meron silang heavy meals at iba-ibang pastries dito. Ambiance in UCC Coffee is cozy and inviting, perfect para sa mga pag-relax o pag-bonding kasama ang family and friends. So that's all for today. Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow.